Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hanan and today my topic is the foreign exchange market. The topic assigned by the respected sir, the foreign exchange market and government intervention in foreign exchange market. At the start of my presentation, we have to check the purpose of the presentation, the objective and the purpose of the presentation. To describe what is meant of the foreign exchange market. Secondly, to identify and discuss the participant and their roles in foreign exchange market. Thirdly, to discuss the government role in foreign exchange market. Now we have to check what is foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is the market where one currency is buy and sold with one another. The foreign exchange market is the market where national currencies are bought and sold against one another. Foreign exchange consists of mainly consists of bank deposits. Characteristics. The characteristics of the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is the largest and perfect market because every international transaction require the foreign exchange transaction. अगर आपने कोई भी international transaction करनी है तो आपको foreign currency की जरूरत पड़ेगी. For example, एक पाकिस्तानी US investor से कोई चीज मंगवाता है तो वो जब पेमेंट करेगा तो उसे यूएस डॉलर की जरूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि यूएस इन्वेस्टर पाकिस्तानी रुपीस में पेमेंट रिसीव नहीं करेगा. आपको इसके लिए फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट की जरूरत पड़ेगी जहां से वो पाकिस्तानी रुपीस को यूएस डॉलर में कन्वर्ट करेगा. ओवर द काउंटर मार्केट. If the transaction is performed under the exchange, it is called foreign exchange market. And if the currency is exchanged without any prescribed exchange, it is called over-the-counter market. For example, a two-person exchange currency with mutual consent or where they perform these transactions. This place called over-the-counter market. Market participants, foreign exchange traders and brokers buy and sell the currency. According to the investor, there are three types of investor. First one, arbitrator, second one, hedger, and third one is speculators. Arbitrators are those who can make profit through market inefficiency. Arbitrator exploit exchange rate anomaly. Second one is hedger, those who want to minimize their risk, and third one is speculators who participate in foreign exchange market for profit purpose. ये तीनों टाइप के इन्वेस्टर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. Categories of participants: customers, commercial banks, other financial institutions, brokers, central bank. Traded currencies. The most traded currencies in the world is US dollar, pound, euro. These currencies are called vehicle currencies. कौन कौन से कंपोनेंट्स है जो किसी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ट्रांजैक्शन में यूज होते हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज प्राइस डिस्कवरी. In price discovery, we have to find out if you need $1, how much local currency you have to pay. Second one is decision making. Third one is settlement, and last one is position keeping. In position keeping, we have to we have to choose open position or closed position. Foreign exchange market technology: the telegraph, the telephone, the telex, and the fax. Foreign exchange market technologies: screen-based information system, screen-based automated dealing system, automatic order matching system, online foreign exchange trading. Type of exchange rate: there are two types of exchange rate. First one is a spot exchange rate and second one is future exchange rate. Spot exchange rate: if the two currencies is delivered with immediately, it is called spot exchange rate. Future exchange rate: the exchange rate between two currencies for some future date delivery, it is called future exchange rate. Government intervention to foreign exchange market. foreign exchange इंटरवेंशन मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी एक टूल है जो किसी भी कंट्री का सेंट्रल बैंक यूज करता है to influencing monetary funds transfer rate of the national currency. सेंट्रल बैंक ट्रांजैक्शन जो कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में होती हैं, इसी वक्त उनको इंटरवेंशन कहा जाता है अगर वो स्टेलाइज्ड हो और उनका पर्पस एक्सचेंज रेट को इन्फ्लुएंस करना हो। स्टेलाइज्ड ट्रांजैक्शन वो ट्रांजैक्शन होती है जो डोमेस्टिक करेंसी के इम्पैक्ट को खत्म करती है। सेंट्रल बैंक फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में इंटरवेंशन करके बहुत से ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को अचीव करता है। फॉर एग्जांपल कंट्रोलिंग इन्फ्लेशन, maintain financial stability. There are two type of objectives. First one is influence the to influence the exchange rate levels. Second one is influencing the amount of foreign reserves. Three reasons that influence the central bank participate in foreign exchange market. Number one is control inflation and maintain internal balance. Second one is achieves external balance, and third one is to prevent crisis. Influencing the amount of reserves, central bank का एक operation है. To influencing the amount of foreign reserves, सेंट्रल बैंक का एक ऑपरेशन ये भी होता है कि वो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में फॉरेन रिजर्व्स को मेंटेन करना होता है। तीन तरह के कंसिडरेशन यूज होते हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज एक्सचेंज रेट इम्पैक्ट। एक्सचेंज रेट इम्पैक्ट किसी भी सेंट्रल बैंक का ये रोल होता है कि वो कंट्री अकॉर्डिंग टू कंट्री सिचुएशन एक्सचेंज रेट को कंट्रोल करे। सेकेंड वन इज मार्केट फ्रेंडलीनेस। It is important because government policy can impair foreign exchange market development and price discovery. Third one is cost versus benefits. A primary consideration is any decision affecting the level of reserve is the marginal cost of an additional dollar of reserves against the marginal benefits. Conclusion. सेंट्रल बैंक किसी भी कंट्री का फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में पार्टिसिपेट इसलिए करता है क्योंकि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ताकि वो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज को ओवरशूट करने से और फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस में जाने से रोके। और सेंट्रल बैंक फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट में पार्टिसिपेट करता है फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिजर्व्स को रेगुलेट करने के लिए। अगर हार्ड करेंसी की जरूरत है तो वो इंटरवेंशन करता है, और अगर रिजर्व को कम करने की जरूरत है तो वो कैरिंग कॉस्ट को कम कर देता है। थैंक यू सो मच।